Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to change temperature threshold on this device. So to do this, you just have to go to this menu here first, then go to settings, and here you have this option, temperature threshold. You can set it to low temperatures or to high, and that's how it's done. I'm not in that high temperatures right here, so I'll just set it to low. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.